Hey, good morning. I am Anthony Mitchell here. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good YouTube stuff. But alright, so yesterday I had an incident with my car, and apparently my extended warranty I bought for the Kia expired at 100,000 miles. I was at 105,000 miles yesterday, and I had to take the brake light. The warning light for the brake light was coming in, so I took it to the Kia dealership, and they let me know it expired at 100,000. I'm like, I bought the car used. I thought it was 100,000 from the time I bought it. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter. It cost me a couple $100, but it got fixed. And I got to follow up with the service advisor who I shared the opportunity to own your life with almost a year ago. He never read the book though. I shared with him the YouTube video. I'm like, all right, man, you can just watch the YouTube video on the ride home. It's the same thing as reading the first 5 chapters. It'll save you some time since apparently you don't like to read, even though earners are readers. But so make things happen, y'all. Because like I've established in life, if you don't follow through to change your life, then it's gonna happen. Like the kid's birthday was 2 days ago. I think he just turned 28, 27 or 28. I can't remember. I wrote down 28, but yeah, his birthday was 2 days ago. Just turned 28. I'm like, I mean, if time, money, and health was an issue, what would you do? He's like, probably travel. I'm like, all right. If I can show you how you can do that in less than a one-man presentation, are you open? He's like, yeah. Well, all right. How long would it take you to find 10 people who would also like to have the time, money, and health to be able to travel when they want? Almost everybody here. I'm like, there you go. You just created a business. Now you just need a vehicle. Watch the video, buddy. Watch the video. I said, my phone is still out of commission. I can make phone calls from like my car while I'm driving, or I can make phone calls from the Google Home. But other than that, my phone's still out of commission. My new phone should arrive tomorrow. Then I'll go back to doing some surveys, networking. Just been chilling out for the last couple of days, doing a lot of reading, doing some studying, reallocating funds, and looking into different companies, doing a comparison and contrastion between the two because I have some discrepancies with the one company. With the other company, I have some discrepancies with also because, so I don't know. We'll figure out what happens. But like I said, if you're not willing to change anything in your life, nothing's gonna change. So take action. That's like most of the customers I had in my current ones company. Last month, another one deactivated. The one I got started this month hadn't placed an order yet, so it looks like it's just me and one other person right now in the wellness company. Which I don't know why. Like, you're already buying these products. Why would you not charge or choose better quality, plus have the opportunity to share with other people and earn some extra money? It's a no-brainer. That's why I love the Own Your Life business system. If you want to own your life, it's very simple. You need a vehicle. Somebody wants something, you show them how they can get it by getting involved, by building the home-based networking business. Bam, you need a vehicle, you introduce them to it. And the beautiful part is like the online wellness company I'm a part of, it's everyday things you already buy at Walmart or Target. You're just switching to better quality and having it mailed to you instead of you having to go to the grocery store. Just like the other company I'm looking into is basically along the same lines, but it's more supplement focused. So I don't know. I might get my supplements from that company and my household goods from the one company I'm already part of. Because why not? Because honestly, when it comes to network marketing, you can be involved with as many companies utilizing the services or products as you want. You should only focus on one to grow the business side. So I'm still trying to figure out which one I want to grow the business on because my current wellness company is only in 20 countries. The other one I was looking to do is in 65 different countries, and the financial platform that I utilize to get my finance in better shape is only in the U.S. So you just gotta weigh the options and make a choice. But no matter what happens, if you don't change, nothing's gonna change. So do something. Let me know in the comments what you're doing to change your life, what you're doing to enhance your life, what the hell you're doing to actually have a better quality life. Because most people, just like the guy from yesterday at the Kia dealership that didn't read that book in over a year almost, nothing's going to change if you don't change. If you, 6 days a week, from 7:30 in the morning till close. That's a horrible life. You're missing out on your golden days. I'm like, bro, I work maybe 5 to 10 hours a week doing what I do for my home-based networking business, sharing opportunities, sharing some information, showing some people some stuff. Other than that, I drive around, I make deliveries, and I just do what I want all day. It's way more fun than having a job that where someone else controls your life. I'm like, bro, as long as you work for someone else, you will never own your life because someone else will dictate where you got to be, how much you're going to make, and who you're going to work with. When you own your life, you control when you work, where you work, who you work with, and you dictate how much money you make. You want to make some more money? Share it with more people. You want to make less money? Chillax. It's not hard, y'all. But you need a backup. Well, I can't say backup, but you need multiple passive income streams. And you're not getting that from your job because that's not passive income, that's earned income. It's a one time payout. So you work all week, you get paid once. Or you work all week, you get paid bi weekly. I don't know how it works. Or you can be smart. Start a home based networking business, do something once, get paid for that initial referral. Plus, as they continue to benefit from the products or services, you keep getting paid, creating passive residual income that keeps coming in. Then you take all those earnings and you funnel into cash flow producing assets, and you're golden. You're guaranteed to own your life. But people have a disdain and they don't believe like what it is. Most people believe network marketing is selling. And no, direct sales and network marketing, yeah, they're both part of the direct selling association, but they're two different forms of marketing a product or service. Direct selling, someone is directly trying to sell you something. Think insurance, think real estate, think the car salesman. That's a direct sale. Network marketing, you're building a channel of different distribution centers for the products or services to move through. You're offering people an opportunity where they can get more out of life. They're going to benefit from the products and services personally. They're going to share with other people and start earning passive residual income. Be smart. Look into network marketing. If you want some recommendations, hey, let me know in the comments. I can get you some info on what I do, and maybe it can help you. Y'all be great. And don't forget to subscribe.